Why is so important to massage your feet before you're going to sleep? The best way for relaxing is massage. It's proved that is good for proper functioning of organs and overall health. Relaxing massage and it's so curing at the same time. Different parts or dots of the feet are representing different organ in the human body. It's a map of the whole body. Massage of feet, especially before going to bed, is beneficial for you. You will feel the difference in our body. Here are the positive effects of this kind of massage. Boost blood circulation. Good for your skin. Reduce the effect of edema during pregnancy. Restless leg syndrome. Maintains proper function. Treat numerous diseases. Eliminate lactic acid. Facilitates digestion. Affects the muscles stretch. Improves metabolism. Stimulates the secretion of sweat. Mobilizes fat. Improves blood flow. Accelerates the flow of blood through the tissue. Relieve pain and stiffness caused by too much exercising. Prevent and cure many symptoms such as headache, stress, asthma, constipation, sinusitis and migraine. Note: choose a cream, lotion or oil to work with. Creams and lotions and work well for foot massages. Oils work to soften the rough calluses on the bottom of your feet. If you liked this video, don't forget to share.